Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about lead generation strategy destroys the internet. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about lead generation strategy destroys the internet, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. For signing up today you get my free ebook about lead generation for beginners. The link to my website is in the description box. Lead generation strategy destroys the internet. Are you running a lead generation strategy to get leads? If you are, you need to rethink your strategy. You need to change the methods and strategies you are using in order to see results with your sales efforts. The internet is a new place where people can have a lot of different things to say to each other. And many times, these people could be making sales or buying products. If you are not currently using this new medium to sell your products, you need to change your strategies right now. It may be difficult, but it will all pay off. The problem with your lead generation strategy is that it is taking away a piece of the internet for your business. The people you are trying to reach do not really have a choice in the matter. Your lead generation strategy destroys the internet because when you run the lead generation strategy, that is what you are doing. It is like reaching out to the masses that are actually looking for information. If you don't want to hit people who are interested in your product or who are trying to sell you something, you can stop running the lead generation strategy that is killing the internet. You can stop chasing people who are not truly looking for your products. You need to use something else in your marketing dollars. You need to stop paying someone to generate leads for you. Your lead generation strategy is costing you money and time because you are wasting your marketing dollars on the wrong things. It is wasting your time and it is killing the internet. Your lead generation strategy is not going to save you anymore. If you have been hurting for money, the time to change it up and stop wasting your marketing dollars is now. Everyone wants to become successful in the sales business. But most of them make the mistake of not spending the necessary time it takes to learn the secret of generating leads. It is very easy to get sucked into this trap of thinking that just about anything will work, and it will work, but you need to do what it takes to earn the money you need in order to build the sales business you want. And the internet is one of the places where you need to be making sales. You need to spend your marketing dollars on the best methods of getting leads to become customers, and you need to spend that marketing dollar on the ways to convert those leads into customers. That is where the profits are. The thing about your sales business is that you have to use a combination of methods to make it. You need to combine your sales goals with your marketing dollars, and you need to combine those two with each other, and you need to do it consistently. Lead generation strategy destroys the internet. We have all heard about the amazing lead generation strategy that sends you text messages, emails, and phone calls to your potential clients. This lead generation strategy has been deemed one of the best, but it seems to be slowing down lately. Perhaps due to the fact that most businesses are just too lazy to continue implementing the method, and perhaps because this is the most ineffective way to get leads. To make sure you are using the best lead generation strategy to get those free qualified leads you need, read on. As a result of the large amount of attention the best lead generation strategy to get those leads is losing, the lead generation strategies have become more basic and less effective. But with the general popularity of opt-in list services and their ability to boost your business's sales, the average lead generation strategy has become the latest hot topic in the lead generation arena. You can read a ton of information out there that says that this method is outdated and ineffective. but they are not telling you the whole story. This video will tell you why the current lead generation strategy of opt-in list services should be looked into more closely. It was very possible for a number of companies to go under because they were not using the best lead generation strategy for their business, and, when that company finally did go under, so did a large percentage of the prospects that they attracted with their lead generation strategy. A lot of people have doubts about the tactics that are commonly used by businesses that use opt-in lists. And the reason is that they know that most of these businesses use this as their primary source of sales. This means that the businesses using this type of lead generation strategy should be looked at closer. Thanks for watching my video about lead generation strategy destroys the internet. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.